Over the past few years, we've installed many different exhaust kits for the GR Corolla. But today, we're installing one that we haven't heard from yet.
Good morning and welcome to Circuit Demon HQ, where today we're working on this Gallardo. We got this beautiful 2024 GR Corolla that we are installing Borla ATAK Catback.
The first stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust, let's go.
Yeah.
8,000, 9,000, what are we doing? What are you bringing to?
Yeah, red line.
Aww, that's it.
It's like that was like one of them smart cars, you know? Like there was no sound.
Yeah, it's pretty quiet.
I'll be honest though, like in there it did sound like it was
Very bassy.
loud. Yeah, bassy. Good
They're
choice
very
of words.
bassy.
Can I start working on the thing now?
Nope. While Chris gets the car loaded up on the lift, I'm gonna get the exhaust kit set out on the table so it's easier to visualize what goes where. However, this kit only has 4 pieces total, making it super simple to install. Out of the many GR Corolla exhausts we've used in the past, this is the first one we've installed that actually retains the factory exhaust valve, which closes after climbing above 20 miles per hour. First, we're gonna start by taking off the factory catback. Factory exhaust off. We don't need it.
Well, we need the valve off of it.
That's true. This one actually has a valve, which most of the ones that we've done don't use that valve, and we have to end up zip tying it. Normally we zip tie the motor, which is still on the exhaust over there. Normally you got to zip tie it somewhere up here, but this is the first one I think that we're actually going to use it. And luckily this car has 5,000 something miles on it, and there is no crusty anything under here, which makes it really easy for Chris to do all the work.
The only crusty thing around here is the one behind the camera.
This is the crusty crab. We're also going to take off this plate here. What do we got, 312s? Yep. And that's why they give you one floating nut by itself. Once the valve motor is seated in place, this exhaust is ready to go in.
All right, guys, she's all done.
Then the 2 mid pipes go in. We're just tightening the clamps now.
Jordan, we're looking like we got an exhaust here installed. All right, we're done.
This GR Corolla is sounding so much better with the new Borla ATAK Catback exhaust. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're looking to pick up the same kit for your car, we would much appreciate it if you snag one from us. You'll find all the links in the description below, or check it out at circuitdemon.com for any and all of your parts needs. We'll see you in the next one.